Whether high up or deep down. For your work, you need strong equipment and smart solutions for all kinds of challenges, starting from basic products to essential components, and up to intelligent technologies. Developments are shaping the way you handle operations. The future of your industry holds exciting innovations. Let us show you the possibilities. Doesn't matter where you work. Team up with us for your success.
Dear audience, welcome to my presentation, A Roadmap to Delivering Value in Mining, applying automotive technology for awareness to automation systems. My name is Georg Kliewer. I work for Continental Aftermarket and Services in Schwalbach, Germany. Continental is a worldwide leading automotive supplier with 38 billion euro sales in over 50 countries in the world. Our strength is in developing automotive technology with more than 70% share in sales. However, we also serve the commercial vehicle, off-highway and special vehicle markets, and our intention is to grow strongly in those markets. The Continental Group is made up of two main pillars, the Rubber Group and the Automotive. Automotive, we have a strong focus on autonomous mobility and safety. Because today's advanced driver systems provide the basis for automated driving of the future. Continental is a worldwide market leader in providing this technology to passenger cars and commercial vehicles. But we are also adapting more and more this know-how to the non-automotive applications. The advantages are more safety, more convenience, more efficiency. The road is clear, from assisted systems to fully automated driving, step by step. The benefits from achieving autonomous mining operations are significant, ranging from improving health and safety by removing people from hazardous environment, as well as making work less repetitive and strenuous, and therefore safer, to improving productivity, reducing cost, and improving levels of mineral resource recovery. It will also help to reduce the environmental footprint, move workers out of harm's way, and make work more economical. Therefore, it is not surprising that the mining sector was an early mover in autonomy. However, despite nearly 15 years of development, less than 3% of mobile equipment in mining is autonomous. While there have been some successes, the results to date indicate that the industry has lacked access to more affordable and functionally reliable and rich technology. With solutions sourced from specialized mining OEMs, the industry has largely been cut off from the innovations resulting from investments in the wider automotive autonomy space, which have played out over the past years. These mining OEMs autonomy solutions were specifically designed as proprietary solutions and closed systems. These systems have demonstrated to be specific, expensive to develop, deploy, operate, and maintain, unable to keep up with the technology innovations coming from full automotive OEM developments. Technology, particular but not only automation and eventually robotics, as well as digitalization, can help the industry to face its challenges. The levers for value creation in mining, where autonomy can play a critical role, are significant. Investment in advanced technology will therefore become increasingly central to miners' quest for efficiency, gains, and cost control, resulting in new exploration methods, streamlined operations, and improved safety. Let's have a look how our automotive roadmap can contribute towards this goal. On the way to autonomous operations, there are many steps in between to get to automated vehicles. Today, we are speaking about passive systems. Passive systems means I get a visualization, I detect an object, I create awareness and warnings. As a next step, I intervene with the vehicle. So the operator not just gets the warning, but the vehicle also reacts to the signaling. The level of automation is increasing. The system interdependencies are increasing, and the integration depth is also becoming more and more. Being the final result that we have driverless vehicles operating independently in the mines with a central command office and maybe even cooperating with drones. On the way of this journey, there's a number of technologies that can help to achieve this goal. Coming from passenger car applications, where there is a relentless pursuit of innovation and furious pace of market activity in the autonomous vehicle space, I present our portfolio as well as potential applications to the off-highway and mining market. Looking at the mining industry, it offers an ideal testing ground for us to see our technology in motion, to scale up, de-risk and prove technology. An ideal testbed for high-scale, relatively low regulation in a more controlled environment than public roads. We offer 3 distinct technologies: camera, radar and LiDAR. This means all relevant sense functions to enable autonomous operations, each with its own strengths, but ultimately providing inherent redundancy necessary for autonomous driving functionality. Going into the different technologies and use cases. Radar sensors are tested and made for the harshest weather conditions like dust, heat and cold, snow and other environmental challenges. Radar sensors provide a variety of functionality. They can be used for anti-collision and object detection purposes. The installation of our radar sensors can be at the front, the rear, the side of each vehicle. Object detection runs actively even in vehicle blind spots, avoiding costly downtime and replacing a complex collision avoidance systems. Identified and prepared data can initiate various actions according to requirements, such as issuing warnings, bringing vehicles and machines to a stop, illuminating areas, or activating avoidance maneuvers. Also, radar technology allows automation in mining operations, minimizing human intervention and increasing accuracy in production systems. The potential applications range from smart conveyor belts for volume and speed measurements to sensor-powered crushers for blockage detection and filling level controls. Moving on to camera technology. Cameras can be used as a pure picture creating component or as a sensor laying the foundation for object recognition or a number of interesting use cases enabled by software technology. Our VODCA, vulnerable object detection camera algorithms, or historic ground plane applications are 2 examples for that. Because of that, Continental has a range of cameras offering a multitude of functionality, depending on the use case required. And then finally moving on to LiDAR technology. The innovative high-resolution 3D flash LiDAR is a future-proof solution that is combined with other ADAS sensors to achieve highly and fully automated driving functions. It is a solid-state LiDAR, which means it has no moving parts and therefore no lost pixels. It can be synchronized per pixel with other sensors and create reliable images in degraded visual environments like direct sun, fog, snow, dust, rain and spray. So to finish off now, looking at the strengths and limitations of the different technologies, their maturity and applications, there is no one-size-fits-all solution. Under the challenging conditions of the mining industry, they need to be assessed carefully to demonstrate their full benefit. Nevertheless, their availability and robustness coming from our high-volume automotive developments, which can be deployed in the mining industry, will make mining safer, more efficient, and in the end, more environmental friendly and socially acceptable. I wish you a good remaining Congress, interesting presentations, and please come back to me for questions you might have. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Whether high up or deep down, for your work you need strong equipment and smart solutions for all kinds of challenges, starting from basic products to essential components, and up to intelligent technologies. Developments are shaping the way you handle operations. The future of your industry holds exciting innovations. Let us show you the possibilities. Doesn't matter where you work. Team up with us for your success.